Understanding the phrase, by day. Hello everyone. Today, we'll dive deep into the English phrase, by day. Have you ever come across this expression and wondered about its meaning or how to use it? If so, you're in the right place. Let's get started. By day is a phrase often used to describe someone's main occupation or what they do during the daytime. It usually contrasts with what the same person might do during the evening or night, or on the side. For instance, consider the sentence, "He's a teacher by day, but a musician at night." This implies that teaching is his primary profession during daytime hours, but in the evenings or at night, he pursues music, perhaps as a hobby or a second job. Let's take a look at a few more examples to understand how by day can be used. 1. She's an accountant by day, but she writes novels in her free time. 2. By day, he works in a bank. However, he's a passionate chef once he's home. 3. The park is peaceful and calm by day *, but it's said to be haunted at night. From these examples, it's clear that by day helps in setting a contrast to what one does or what happens during the day versus another time. By day refers specifically to daytime activities or characteristics. It often sets up a contrast to nighttime or evening scenarios. While the phrase generally refers to one's profession or primary activity, it's not limited to just occupations. Thank you for joining us in today's exploration of the phrase, by day. Now, whenever you come across this expression, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it effectively. We hope you found this video insightful, and as always, happy learning!